Yo, welcome everyone, appreciate you being here. In today's video, I'm going to show you what actually works in meme coins because it's not trading. Most people are busy trading charts and losing millions of dollars, but we do not do that here. We create and launch the coins ourselves. And honestly, in 2026, deving meme coins has been on the fucking rise, and it's one of the best and profitable things I've done by far. And it's still fucking untapped. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly step by step on how deving works, and even go through a quick example so you can see exactly how it plays out from a dev perspective. My crypto phantom wallet didn't grow from luck, it came from deving meme coins the smart way. I am going to walk you through exactly how I do it step by step all in this video. If you're still trading meme coins right now, you are putting yourself in the weakest position in the market. Why? Because most traders lose millions of dollars trading meme coins. Most traders, they buy after the movement starts and when the hype is done, and then the person who created the coin is exiting into that demand, and the traders ultimately lose all their money because they become exit liquidity. That's why people who actually win in this space are not focused on trading, but they're focused on creating the hype themselves, also known as deving coins. It's low risk and high upside because you have nothing to lose if no one buys your coin, unlike trading. You can just test your luck, launch a coin for literally $0 and then wait for people to buy the coin. When the hype is high and the volume is really high, you can just cash out and repeat that method as a dev and just stack up that crypto portfolio. But when you trade though, you need a big portfolio and you always have the risk of losing all your money by the dev because he could rug pull at any moment. So that's exactly why I am making this video on how to dev. I will be showing you guys exactly how I dev and make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this deving strategy. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your due diligence and do your own research. Cap! Now guys, most people when they launch meme coins, they make them on Pump.Fun directly right here. Now I'm pretty sure 95% of everyone watching this video right now knows what Pump.Fun is. It's the biggest DEX right now with the most volume. But here is exactly why I do not launch here. It's oversaturated. It's simply competitive. As you guys can see, there's too many coins launching on Pump.Fun. So the odds that your coin goes viral is extremely low. And let's be honest bro, you do not control your own liquidity pool, which means you cannot just remove the liquidity and cash out. You will need to buy a lot of supply, and that is just not worth it. So instead, I launch my meme coins on the Radium DEX, which is also called the migrate section. Here is where most volume is laying at. There's real people buying your coins, there's more volume, and there's just more potential. That's why I dev on Radium bro. You guys will see it's actually insane. It's basically like free promotion because there is no competition. Now look, to launch a meme coin on Radium bro, do not use Pump.Fun because it will have to go through a migration price of $35,000. Instead, use create meme.io. This is the best launchpad for Radium. Every single coin that you dev goes to Radium immediately, and that's exactly why people gatekeep this launchpad. Now you have multiple ways of deving a coin on create meme.io. You could either create a whole new coin custom made from scratch by following these steps and inventing a name, symbol, and image, or you can use their free Twitter tracker. Oh, it might be down, but you can use their free X tracker and turn tweets into coins within seconds. For example, if a viral tweet comes out, you can be the first one on chain. To turn it into a coin. But in this video bro, we will be using a different approach, and that is the copy trending coin strategy. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we will be copying a coin that is going viral right now on Pump.Fun back to Radium. All of these coins have a good narrative. They're all getting a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, and just a bunch of everything, which means they have a proven narrative and community. We will be using these these ideas to recopy them back to Radium, where we can get a bunch of trades, buyers, and just profits in our pockets. I will even do an example with this strategy. Alright, now let's make some money. Let me show you how right now. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is properly connected. Click on refresh, right, and then now look and scout for a coin to copy. Just choose one. Okay, I'm gonna choose the bull coin. I chose it completely randomly. Click on copy to Radium. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Just make sure to ignore the block. This block is normal from Phantom. Every launchpad is going to get this at the beginning. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created right within a couple seconds. It should load in soon. Boom. And if I go into scan right for some proof, you guys can see that it's minted on chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here's exactly how this page works. Basically, once the liquidity pool for Radium is created, it will go to Radium. It will show up in front of thousands of people right here in the migrate section, and you will have supply. It's that easy. Just follow along if you are not sure of what is happening. For the amount of bull coins, click on 90%. This will drop whatever 90% is for supply. For the amount of SOL right here, put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 SOL. It's up to you. I'm going to put 0.3 SOL right here. Okay, you are not going to lose this amount. You will get this back at any given moment that you want. Okay, once you exit, it will come back, so it's not a big deal. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button, then go down, and bang, the coin is live. People are now able to see your coin, ape in, buy in, everything, and your profits and losses are going to show up right there. Now look guys, if you click on the refresh button, well, as you can see, we're up 160 bucks in our profits. This is a great sign for our copied coin. Now go on your trading terminal to see the chart. Okay, it could be Axiom, Terminal, Nova, it could be anything, right? And then as you guys can see, the chart is now live. Let me go on the second chart. You guys can see that it's live. 2.2k market cap, 1.3k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. The chart is pumping. I cannot even talk right now. What the fuck? This is insane. We're already up like $1,000 if I had to guess. This is insane. This is exactly why I endorse deving so much, using the Radium and copy trending coins feature on create meme.io. It's actually insane, bro. As you guys can see, these are all random people buying in, coming in from Radium. These are all retail traders, and if you get lucky, bro, someone could call out your coin in some big trading group, and that could make your coin go fucking bananas, but that is not likely. Okay, people are buying in. 5.4k market cap. We're already at a 2k liquidity. This should be like a 1.5k PNL around there. We're already up like 1.5k if I had to guess. Now guys, you have nothing to lose. Like I said, even if the coin goes down to zero, okay, well, you are at a $0 profit. That is not a loss. You can just move on to the next coin. Now I'm gonna let this coin run for a tiny bit. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out your profits, and I will show you how much we make. Alright guys, I am back. We're at a 7.5k market cap, 2.5k liquidity. Let's cash out. Come back to create meme.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you guys can see, we are up $2,25,000 in profits. That is insane in my opinion. Click on the minus button and make sure to click on 100%. Okay, you can do less if you want, if that's part of your strategy, but I would highly recommend 100%. Remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just deved a coin in front of you, and look, in my Phantom wallet, yes, we received it, okay, as it should. $2.2 bands straight into my phantom wallet, bro, without fluff. Now it's up to you to take action, start diving right now, stop trading, create meme.io will be linked down below, or just go on Google, it's up to you. Like, subscribe, and join my Discord. It's really important to network with me or with others. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this, lucky when you're right here, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and join my Telegram group down below, and send me proof right there to enter the giveaway.